Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to redeem gift cards on your Amazon application. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? First things first, simply go ahead and open your Amazon application. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on your U icon on the bottom of your screen. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and look for your wallet icon and click on that. And finally, click on the account tab. Once you've done that, scroll a little bit down. And as you can see, there's going to be a Amazon Pay gift cards option right over here. Click on that. And now simply go ahead and enter your gift card code right over here and click on add gift card to balance. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.